If you enjoy watching citizen journalists and appreciate the importance of our civil rights, then please consider clicking the like button and subscribing with notifications on so you don't miss any of our uploads.
Hey everybody, RightsCrispy here. This next video may be disturbing for some viewers and discretion is advised. It's a newly released body cam of Miami police officer Miguel Hernandez grabbing a handcuffed woman by the neck and throwing her face first on the ground, knocking her unconscious. Hernandez was not charged by Catherine Fernandez-Rundle, the state attorney. He wasn't disciplined or fired, and he got to resign in June of 2021. Former Chief Art Acevedo mentioned this incident in his lawsuit against the city, claiming officers engaged in a pattern of excessive use of force, quote unquote, while supervisors covered it up. Acevedo was fired after he accused city commissioners of corruption, misusing the police department for their personal vendettas, and acting like the quote unquote mafia, says the Miami Herald.
You're gonna go back to my car and you're gonna clean that or you're gonna go to jail. Get up! Now you piss me off! Get up! Get up! Get up! Get up!
What's your warrant for arrest?
Get up!
Where's your warrant for arrest?
Okay, you're gonna go back to my car.
I need to see your warrant.
You're gonna go back to my car and you're gonna clean it. You got extra gloves on?
I'm pregnant and he's bothering me.
Okay, you're gonna go back to my car. You're gonna clean what you did. Get up. You know what? You're gonna go to jail so fast it's gonna be incredible. Come here.
For what?
For vandalizing.
Don't touch me.
Get to the car. Get to the car and pick that up.
You want to go to jail for vandalizing?
Go to the bar cleaning. Let's go.
I need you to sit down and you relax.
Sit! Sit!
That's all about.
Help me! Help me!
Are you gonna go?
Get away from me! Get away from me!
That's it.
Get away from me! Get away from me! Help me! Help me! I'm pregnant! Help me!
Okay, I understand you're pregnant, but stop resisting.
Shit, bro.
Resisting! Jesus Christ! Stop resisting!
No! Help me! Breaking my arm! Help me! Help me! Help me! I'm pregnant, bro.
Yeah, you're real pregnant.
I can't breathe.
Okay, calm down, calm down. Calm down. Calm down. You're not gonna die. Don't break my car. I know.
I'm apologizing.
You good? What you do to my car? Spit on my thing.
Whoa!
Don't spit on my fucking thing.
What the hell did you do?
She's wearing my face, man.
Fucking up, bro! Fucking up! You know what you did? Hell's
Spit
wrong!
on my face, bro. Shit, man.
Fucking up! What did you do, bro?
Come back at me. Feel like that,
Female! That's a female, bro!
7317, mommy, have fire rescue.
Have fire rescue responsibility.
Sorry, Charlie.